Hi everybody, Zena here. Just got this new video camera, so I'm just hoping that this is gonna actually work. This is just a trial, so I'm just gonna put this up quickly and then try and upload it onto my computer and see what happens. So basically I've just put this onto Amanda's perpetual cards. It's a recycled card. Basically I had a card and I recycled it into a different looking card. So I used a red card, I cut this out, I added red little sparkles on here, and then I used a punch, and I punched out all these little snowflakes, stuck them on, put a sentiment, merry and bright, on the top, and that's my first Christmas card made for next year. So I'm going to put it away into, I'm going to find a box or something to put them all in, and so I hope you like it, and obviously speak to you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.